Hello, my name is Hernandez and I am in the Biology 101 class online. So for this video I just need to show you a couple of basic biological terms. First and foremost we're going to go with anterior and posterior. Anterior meaning the front of the body while posterior meaning the back of the body. Next we're going to move on towards superior and inferior. Superior means closer to the head and inferior means away from the head. So in reference my heart is superior to my pelvic bone. Alright, next we're going to go towards proximal and distal. Proximal meaning closer to and distal meaning farther away from. Now all of these are in reference to the trunk of the human body, in which my elbow is proximal, my elbow is proximal to my wrist. While in the same way, my elbow is distal than my shoulder. Alright, next we're going to move towards medial and lateral, which medial just means towards the center of the body, while lateral means away from the center of the body. So in which terms, my sternum is medial to my clavicle. And let's see here, my pectorals are lateral from my sternum. In that same way, they're farther away from. Alright, next we're going to go towards superficial and deep. Superficial meaning closer towards the body's surface, while deep meaning away from the body's surface. Superficial, like my skin, is superficial. It is close to the body's surface, while my heart and my lungs are deep. They're towards the center of the body, not towards the surface. Alright, now there's a couple of planes that we have to talk about whenever we're talking about the human body. The first is going to be the sagittal, which is going to be left and right of the body. It's going to be, if we split the body right down the center, we have two congruent planes on the left and the right side. Alright, then we have the transverse plane, which is basically going to be the top and bottom. If you split someone in half, top and bottom, it is going to be that plane, top, bottom. Lastly, we have the frontal plane, which is a lot like anterior and posterior. The front, it's going to be the front and the back of the body, frontal plane. If you were to split me in half, right down the center here, it would give you the frontal plane, the front and the back of the body. Alright, and those are the terms that you really need to use. Thank you very much.